Hey guys, it's me. I'm going to be walking around in wet feet outside. But it just rained. One, because I want to wear flip-flops, and I can't find flip-flops, and I think they're outside. So let's go switch my flip-flops, because they're so awesome. I don't like it. It's gross. There's one. There's two. I found them. That was awesome. Yeah, sure. Okay. It's hard to get out there. Alright, I'm gonna go wash them off. Okay, that was random. Okay, let's go turn the hose on. So yeah, I'm just gonna be outside with Talya today. Being awesome, like I always am. You know me guys, I'm awesome. Ow! Okay, never mind that. Gotta be careful because it like sprays. Okay, sorry. Let's do this. First I gotta wash my feet off where the first the hose went. Oh, it's all over here. Because he had a fire and yeah. I'm gonna try not to get Talya wet. Or my pants wet. See? Now. Woo. Oh! I was like, okay, let's go turn the hose off now. Yeah, now I can use surf again. So we're outside exploring, and it's drenched in water. Okay, where should we go? We should go, don't mind that, that's like a string. Because I cut ears and I sewed my arms and I've done that a couple times. Oh yeah, it's pretty nice out. The trees, pretty. Yeah. Okay. I'm so bored. What should I do, guys? I stayed home from school because I had a sore throat, but it's like gone now, so yay. Pretty much gone, I guess. Oh. Probably because I ate like a bunch of popsicles and they soothed, I guess I could say, my throat. And I had one cough drop. And then I had a sausage, and I only had 4 sausages, and I had an egg and toasted cheese today. I ate a lot in 3 hours, basically. Guess what, guys? Yep, as you can tell, you were like, school's not even out for you yet? Oh my god, it's not out for you yet. Because we have half days on Friday, so we go a little longer. Yeah, a little, yeah, to the 18th. Yeah, it's a little longer, basically. If you don't know what I'm saying, that's called sarcasm. Right now, I'm doing that because I'm so awesome. What do you want me to do? So I'm just going to be home all day, so please comment down below on what videos you want me to do, because I'm going to be bored. And you can suggest any webkins you want me to use. I can use Cara, my brown dog, Bailey, my little candy pup, Kira, my texting puppy, Kaylee, my husky, Sky, my golden retriever, Talya, my golden retriever, this one right here, or what else can I use? Who else should I use? Pick one of those. And yeah, for a second I thought it was starting to rain again, but it's just a tree. Why am I under the tree? And after it just rained. You can really tell it. You can tell it just rained. Whee! I totally ruined the moment. I was silent in my shoes, so freaking noise. Alright. So, yeah, that's kind of it for this video. And P.S. Do you like your outfit? Comment down below or like this video. Bye!